How do you navigate nice with a stroller? Imagine strolling through the city that never sleeps with your little one in tow, feeling confident rather than overwhelmed. Navigating New York City with a stroller can seem tricky at first, but with some planning, it becomes much easier. The subway system has 472 stations, but only about 117 have elevators. These elevators are essential for stroller access, so always check if your route includes stations with working elevators. It is recommended to fold your stroller when using the subway and buses, even though some people ride with open strollers. Folding your stroller makes it easier to navigate stairs and crowded spaces. Use apps like the Metropolitan Transportation Authority app or Apple Maps to see which stations have elevators and to check for outages before you leave. Planning your routes to avoid stations without elevator access can save you from carrying your stroller up or downstairs. During busy hours, the subway can get crowded, making it harder to move comfortably with a stroller. Traveling during off-peak times, like mid-morning or late evening, can give you more space and less stress. Buses in New York City are generally stroller-friendly and have designated open areas near the rear door. Many buses requiring you to fold your stroller before boarding, so practice folding quickly. Buses can be a good option if elevators are not available or if you want to avoid crowded subway stations. Walking is another way to get around, and most sidewalks are stroller accessible. However, some areas have uneven pavement or are very crowded, so take your time and watch out for curb cuts and pedestrian crossings. Crosswalks with curb cuts are designed to make crossing easier with a stroller or wheelchair. When using taxis or rideshare services like Uber or Lyft, keep in mind they often do not have car seats or space for bulky strollers. If you need a ride, bring a lightweight, foldable stroller that you can carry easily. Some rideshare companies offer services with car seats, which can be helpful for very young children. Choosing the right stroller makes a big difference. Lightweight, compact, and foldable strollers are best for city travel because they are easier to carry and fit into tight spaces. Avoid bulky strollers that are hard to fold or carry, especially since many subway stations lack elevators. Always check the Metropolitan Transportation Authority website or apps for real-time elevator status and accessible routes. Allow extra travel time since moving through the city with a stroller can take longer. Carrying a baby carrier as a backup can be helpful when stroller use is limited or difficult. Sometimes you might need help from fellow passengers to navigate stairs if elevators are out of service. With a little preparation, choosing accessible routes, and using public transportation options designed for strollers, navigating New York City with kids becomes manageable. Walking and buses often give you more flexibility than the subway, and planning ahead with apps makes your trip smoother. Just remember to stay patient and enjoy the adventure with your little one in the city that never stops moving.